always try to look so presentable in front of camera, but this is how I look every single day. So yeah, I am currently saving a video. I'm gonna upload right now because it's 12, and as you guys know, I always upload my videos, my reels, specifically during this time, 12 o'clock. And so I'm just gonna post it. I just finished my breakfast. It was a really good breakfast. I am not a black coffee person. Of course, I added some honey because it's impossible for me to just have black coffee. I'm trying to like it, but yeah, it was really good. With the honey, it was really good. And as I mentioned, the Blue Tokai pour, easy pour one is, it really tastes so good. It's like not very bitter, not very dark. It's something which I really loved, and it was really nice. With my sauce recipe, the poached egg, it was so good. I'm gonna share with you guys my recipe very very soon. So I'm just trying to upload the video. In India we have the newly. So I actually tried out the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, the Essentials Neutral eyeshadow palette, which is so good, and I just reviewed that. So I'm just writing the caption and then I will upload it. So now I am getting ready for my shoot. I have to shoot 3 videos today. I'm very excited because I'm gonna try out some new makeup. Plus, I am gonna show you my empties, like the products I've already used, or will I repurchase it or not. I don't really want to use mascara, and this is super expensive. Of course, it's from YSL, so it's expensive, but I use it every single day whenever I do my makeup. So I think it's worth my money because I'm actually using the product. And I'm completely hooked with this beautiful sweatshirt. Is from Zara and it's so good. I mean, I personally got this because of this color. It's like a very sage green plus baby pink type of a combination, which is very rare and it looks really very cute. So wearing this, let's start filming. I just got back from the gym, super tired, but I'm gonna do my skincare and hair care right now, which I do every single day. And it's a part of my routine. I just can't sleep without doing it. I obviously change my routine. I have so many different cleansers, I have serums, so I just change it regularly, and that's how I do, because I do have to test out a lot of products. And yeah, that's okay. First, I'm just going to wash my face with my cleanser, which is actually from Simple that I'm using currently. It's really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna use this one. This is actually a new product that I'm trying out. This is from Pixi and I received this in PR. This is the Pixi Clarity Mist, which contains Cica and hyaluronic acid. Face. You guys have seen this product multiple times. This is the Innisfree Retinol Green Tea. I love this one. I use this all the time. And maybe in future I'm going to repurchase this because it's so good. I'm just going to use it on my face and lightly I'm going to tap it. This is from L'Occitane and this is the anti-hair loss scalp treatment. I'm not facing any hair loss, but I do really want to grow my hair. You just need to apply it all over your scalp. Now, why I really love this product is because this does not make your hair feel sticky. Most hair treatment serums, they do feel like you need to wash your hair after you use it. I don't like that because I don't wash my hair every single day. My forehead is so big, anyone can play football right over here. Yeah, that's my special thing about my forehead. The 345 Relief Cream Mist. I already finished up the Relief Cream moisturizer tube that they have. My L'Occitane hand cream that I'm using. It's a very expensive hand cream. I will say, like, if you want to splurge, you can definitely, but it's not something necessary. Any other hand cream that you have that works well, this is a good product. That's that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, as I always say, and I love you all a lot. I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.